This is dressing a 2-year-old. And she doesn't want to be dressed.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, she's saying monkey back. She doesn't want to wear the monkey shirt. Let me see your pretty monkey shirt.
How many people does it take to put on a shirt?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. It's pretty.
I'm going to put this cricket on you.
You have to wear a shirt.
Grab the cricket.
There's your bug.
Grab the
There's a
bug.
cricket.
I think he's stuck.
I think he's stuck too. Oh, there he goes. He's going to jump away.
Can jump? Jump. He might
Butterfly.
jump on you.
The
Then what do we
monkey
do?
shirt.
Catch it.
He'll climb on you.
Ooh.
Get the cricket.
He'll climb on you. He'll tickle you too.
Got
There he
him.
is. You got him. He'll tickle you. He's stuck. Oh.
There he is. You see him
There
in
he
the grass?
goes.
There he is.
Crickets have sticky legs,
Yeah. Cricket.
so they can climb up the walls. Oh, that's a fly.
Wow.
That's a fly.
Where'd he go? Where did he go?
Don't step on him. Gotta be careful.
I don't know. He
Where'd the
disappeared.
cricket?
He's somewhere.
He's hiding somewhere down there because he's pretty scared right now. I don't blame him. Oh, butterfly.
Oh, butterfly.
ADD.
Watch your head.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Thank you.
Get the butterfly.
We'll never catch him. We'll catch him.
That's hilarious.
Maybe another one come through.
I'll catch a butterfly if it's close.